We've got lovely things to discuss right now as, yeah, man, I'm telling you, another great fight coming up. That's the combat between Takuma Inoue and Jervin Ancajas for WBA World Bantamweight title. This is a great combat, a great matchup, and I think Takuma Inoue is a heck of a talent. But Jervin Ancajas can take a beating. When we take a look at their shapes, it's obvious that the Japanese boxer is in a better shape. He was better than Liborio Solis, Jake Bornea, Kakuya Furuhashi, Shingo Keita, Kurihara, and he only lost to Nardino Bali via decision. On the other side, Ancajas is very tough, 5'6", 66.5 inches of reach. He earned a lot of money, but he bounced back with a victory over Wilner Soto after back-to-back losses to Fernando Martinez, but it's so damn hard to finish him. Takuma Inoue is dangerous in later rounds, and Ancajas is slowing down in the later rounds. But anything can happen, really. This is an explosive, tricky fight, going with over 6.5. Side call, I'm giving edge to Inoue because the fight takes place in Japan. But we're gonna see. I don't know.